Good morning, students. So the course is about 18 CSS 101J programming for problem solving. Myself, Amuda, working as assistant professor in Department of Software Engineering. So my area of interest is IoT, data science and wireless sensor network. I am doing research in IoT. These are my contact number and mailing address. So today the agenda is about, I am going to discuss about the looping statement. What is a while loop and do while loop, difference between while and do while loop, then where to apply this while and do while loop in real time. So what is a looping statement? So if you take a general C structure, there should be a separate header section, then the main function and the variable declaration part and the executable statement, finally close brace. So here the execution happen one by one. So statement by statement, the compiler will check and execute the code. So that is a simple C programming structure. What is a looping statement is the execution of the statement happen based on certain condition. So if the condition is true means it will execute a set of statement. Otherwise it will not execute that block. So first type is while loop statement. It is a simple loop structure. This while loop is also called as entry controlled loop. What is mean by entry controlled loop? It is nothing but the execution of the loop depends on the test condition. So if the condition is true means the statement within the open brace close brace will execute, otherwise it will not execute. The syntax to use while loop in C languages, there is a initialization of a loop counter, then while condition, it is a keyword, then within open bracket close bracket any conditional statement. Open brace close brace set of statement block, then increment and decrement operator. So this is a syntax. So while condition, loop body, increment or decrement operator. How the execution flow happened in this while statement is, the variable is getting, this is a starting point, then the condition is checking. If the condition is true means the statement within the open brace close brace, that is the statement within this body of the loop will execute, and the increment and decrement operator will do the task. Again the loop will update. So the condition is again checking for the new updated increment decrement value. Okay, so this process incrementation and execution incrementation happened continuously, so till the condition is true. So when the condition is false, that's all, the process is terminated. So the execution of the loop will be terminated. So this is the flow of while loop structure. Considered a simple C language statement without any loop. Assume the sum of three numbers. So here the header files are included, main functions are declared, then ABC, some the required variables are declared, then using normal scanf statement, the three inputs are reading. So since we are using the three inputs as data type integer, so scanf will take the specification access specifiers. For integer, the notation is %d, and ampersand A, ampersand B. Then sum equal to A plus B plus C. Normal addition expression is used. Then the result is stored into the new variable sum. So finally the result is displayed using the statement printf statement. If you are executing this program, okay, it will ask for three numbers first, then the result of the three numbers will be displayed as output.